I'm sure you've heard the news. Cyber threats are on the rise, and your business could be next. Recent reports from the US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency have uncovered critical vulnerabilities in popular software and hardware. If left unaddressed, these flaws can lead to unauthorized access, data theft, or even ransomware attacks. Impress IT Solutions has identified several key vulnerabilities like CVE 2024-50-1378 and CVE 2024-11680. These can allow attackers to bypass authentication, execute commands, and more. So what can you do? Impress IT Solutions recommends immediate patch management to keep your systems up to date. Isolate critical systems with network segmentation and deploy advanced intrusion detection systems. Secure your devices with endpoint protection and follow best practices for configuration. And don't forget, employee awareness training is crucial. Cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated. Protect your business with comprehensive services from Impress IT Solutions, including threat monitoring, vulnerability assessments, and ransomware protection. Don't wait for an attack. Contact Impress IT Solutions today and secure your business for the future.